few weeks ago, our roof needed repairing. So while the roofers were doing the work they needed to do, I thought this is a good time to take a few pictures and tell you about the German words. So this video is with German vocabulary for a roof repair. Deutsche Vokabeln für eine Dachreparatur. And the first thing that we got was the scaffolding. Das Baugerüst, or often just called das Gerüst. Very important for a roofer. The ladder, die Leiter. And the first job they had to do was the old roof tiles had to come down. Die alten Dachziegeln kommen runter. And they also needed to use some tools, and one of them left behind that day, der Hammer, which I think you can guess is the hammer. As they were taking them down, they sorted them into kaputte Dachziegeln, broken tiles, und alte Dachziegeln, old tiles. Then came the roof sheeting, die Dachbahnen. And what went back up were the good and new tiles, die guten und neuen Dachziegeln. We also needed a skip, der Container. And a cement mixer. Der Betonmixer, although you probably recognize the other word a lot better, der Zementmixer. Almost done, fast fertig. Der Schornstein, the chimney. And we have an idiom. To have a roof over one's head is ein Dach über dem Kopf haben. And I can now safely say that I have ein Dach über meinem Kopf.